Hello, Bachawadi. This is Sufyan Sarved explaining you the easy way of Standard 9 Biology chapter of 6 tissues. As we studied in the previous lecture about the cell, that the cell is the simple fundamental unit of any living being, or we can say the any object. Every object in the universe are made up of the small matter, or we can say the cells. Clear? So living beings are made up of the cells. Clear? And cell is the fundamental unit. Now today we are going to start the upgrade portion of a cell. Means what? That today we are going to start chapter tissues. How the tissues is formed, what is tissues, each and everything we will study. Clear? So simply the combination of a similar type of a structure, or we can say that the combination of a cell, it gives one tissues. एक जैसे एक फंक्शन वाले सेल जब मिलेंगे तो एक टिश्यूज बनाएंगे. जैसे सेल मिले वैसे ही एक जैसे एक फंक्शन वाले टिश्यूज मिलके ऑर्गन बनाएंगे. दैट यू कैन ऑब्जर्व इट हियर. दिस इज द वर्ड सेल. This is single cell. This is the combination of cell, and the combination cell is known as what? It's known as tissues. Clear? And combination of tissues is known as one organ. It make one organ. Okay. Similar thing is for the plant. This is a single cell. Combination of cells is gives the tissues, and combination of tissues gives the particular any part of the plant. Clear? So what is cell? Look at here. Cell are group of tissues are group of cell that have a similar structure and act together to perform a specific function. So why the similar structure and function we are taking? Because they are doing some specific work, specific target. If I want to take a glass, so what I am doing? With the hand I am doing. Or if I want to digest any of the food, with the small intestine and with the large intestines we are doing. Okay, we are not doing, our body parts are doing. So this is the particular similar type of function they are doing. Suppose that if we are taking the cells of hand, ear, brain, hair, all type of cells, different type of cells, if we are mixed, so it is possible to do any of the tasks? No. Simply if we take the similar as simple as that example, that suppose we have student. Clear? Now we are making what? We are making the divided. The student, they are in the good in study, means excellent in study. One are excellent in cricket, one are excellent in volleyball, means we are making the division. Okay. Now if we provide the task to the particular quiz competition to the particular any of the group, like suppose that good in the study, then they have won betterly. अगर मैं ऐसा करता कि भाई सब मिक्स करके डाल देता, that one is good in study, one is the sport, another is nothing, they are lazy, और उन सबको मिला के एक मैंने झुंड बनाया, एक ग्रुप बनाया, then I will provide one task to them. Is it possible to do that task? No, bacha bati, it is not possible. So why the tissues are for the similar? So tissues are the group of cells that have the similar structure. The structure are having the similar, even that act together to perform. What act together means unity के साथ वो काम करेंगे to this specific function. Okay. Now in this chapter we will study the two things. One is about the plant tissues and one is about the animal tissues. Clear? So the question arises that are the plant and animal made up of the same type of tissues? Is it possible? Now when we observe the plant and the animal, we are making the different type of criteria. Clear? That plant is doing this, plant is doing this, plant is doing this. Okay. At the same time human are this, human are this. मतलब कि बहुत अलग अलग हम क्राइटेरिया बनाएंगे कि भाई प्लांट और एनिमल के ये क्राइटेरिया. अगर उनके क्राइटेरिया अलग है तो क्या उनके टिश्यूज सेम हो सकते हैं? नो बच्चा वाली, इट इज नॉट. Let's look it. And even that in this chapter एनिमल का बोला गया है, लेकिन वी आर द सेल्फिश पर्सन, वी ऑलवेज स्टडी अबाउट द ह्यूमन. Clear? Yeah, rest of the thing about the animal diversity and everything we will study in our next chapter, that chapter number 7, that's the diversity of the life. Clear? And it's an amazing chapter. बायोलॉजी भी बहुत बढ़िया होता है यार, आपकी पूरी बॉडी बायोलॉजी है. In the body there is physics, biology, chemistry, each and everything are present. Okay, so plants, stationary and fixed. As we look the plant, they are always stationary, they are not able to move. But when we able to see the animal, they can move here and there, roaming always here and there, doing mischief. Okay, then growth in limited region. Now when we observe the plant, on that time the growth in the plant is in the limited region. That particular any of the part, if we think that the leaves, चलो लीव्स को हमने देख लिया, तो लीव्स क्या होगा कि भाई उसकी जितनी कैपेसिटी उतना ही ग्रो होगा, मींस उसके लिमिटेड रीजन के अंदर ही ग्रोथ होने वाला है और कहीं नहीं होगा. ठीक है, बट ग्रोथ इन एवरी पार्ट, इन द ह्यूमन बीइंग और इन द एनिमल, इफ यू ऑब्जर्व ईच एंड एवरी पार्ट, ईच एंड एवरी ऑर्गन्स, दे आर एबल टू ग्रो. इफ यू ऑब्जर्व द स्मॉल बेबी, observe the small baby, each and every part. Now observe it to yourself. Is it any growth in you and your particular baby? Yes, there is lots of difference. बहुत सारा ग्रोथ है हर एक पोर्शन में, हर एक पार्ट में. क्लियर? लेकिन ट्रीज में ऐसा नहीं होता है बच्चा वाड़ी. ओके, नाउ देखिए, need less energy to survive. Now it is simple as that. If the trees are not moving here and there, then how they need the more energy? Similar that they need the less energy, but we need the more energy. Suppose that if someone gives you the particular 3 liter of water, you drink the water. Now you are playing, you are doing mischief, roaming here and there, and simply after some time you are hungry, you are thirsty. Why? Because you are roaming here and there and you need more energy compared to the trees. Most of the tissues are dead. When we observe that the trees, most of the tissues are dead. Which are there? What is that? That we will study, because this is a surprise and amazing thing. Clear? Now, most of the tissues are alive. In the human body, each and every tissues, most of the tissues are alive. Simply that if we pinch to our hand, then we can feel it that someone pinched our hand. But if we cut our hair, हमारे बालों को काटेंगे ना, तो वो बाल है ना, वो क्या है? डेथ टिश्यू है. The hair is in the death form, but hair जहां से कनेक्ट है ना, जो जड़ से, जो सोइल से, they are alive. Clear? Even that when we observe the nails also, nails बढ़ जाएंगे तो वहां से काटोगे तो वो डेथ टिश्यूज होंगे, बट अंदर के भाग में से काटोगे तो जलेगा, खून निकलेगा. That's alive tissues. ये बच्चा बाटी, I had given you the easy and the best example. Now tissues are, from these we had categorized that the plant need less energy, animal need more energy. They are doing grow, they are death tissues, even that they need more energy, they need less energy. Means they have the two categories. Okay, so we will study that two portions, that the plant and animal. So in the plant, which things are we will study. Okay, so tissues are going to be divided into the two parts. One is about the plant, another is about the animal. Okay, now animal we will study later on, but what is the plant? Let's go for the classification so we can get the better understanding. Okay, now this is the meristematic tissues. What is the meristematic tissues, bachcha body? So it's for the growth, the region which are still growing, develop हो रहा है बच्चा बड़ी, हो रहा है. So it's a meristematic, but permanent means fixed. It's completely growth. Now there is no chance to grow, so it's a permanent tissues. Okay, now this is for what? Meristematic. This is for growing, still they are growing. So still they are growing, they have the 3 parts. भाई अलग अलग रीजन में अलग अलग ग्रोथ हो रहे हैं, तो हम उसमें भी देखेंगे. So they have the apical meristematic, intercalary meristematic and the lateral meristems. Okay, what is that? That we will study with the diagram in the easy way to understand the concept of science, because science is about the feeling the subject. If you're not getting my video, go in the playlist or go in the YouTube and search it that the Sufyan Sarved, you can get it my videos. Okay, now the permanent is the for the simple permanent tissues. Clear? What is a simple permanent? Means it is made up from the one cells, means similar type of cells. Clear? And that simple cells are of the two type. One is a protective, another is for the supportive. In the protective, we will study the epidermis and the cork, and in the supportive, we will study the parenchyma, scalenchyma, and the collenchyma. Clear? And I will give you the amazing example that you had seen yet in this portion. क्लियर? और हर एक चीज में एग्जांपल तो बढ़िया होना ही चाहिए बच्चा पार्टी समझने के लिए. And in the complex permanent, there is a xylem and the phloem. What is that? We will study it. Well, now plant tissues. Plant have two type of tissues. One is that meristematic, another is a permanent. So we will study the meristematic. These are simple living tissues which capable of division and formation of new cell. As we know very well that meristematic means what? Is simply that the plant are in the form of growing. Grow ho raha hai. Okay. So if there is a growing means what? They are gives the new branch, new leaves, means what? It going to be a divide. So it is capable of division. Clear? And formation of new cells. Simply, if they form the new leaves means what? It form the new cells. Clear bacha? Present in the growing region of plant. Okay, you can observe it at this portion. Clear? I will make it with the different color. This portion. This is the growing region. Even that this portion also. These are in the growing region. Clear? So you can found that meristematic tissues are in this region. Clear? Now, example is already given that the root, growing branch, etc, etc. Okay. Now the meristematic tissues are of the three type. One is the apical, intercalary, lateral. Clear? This is very important, huh, बच्चा पार्टी. You must know कि भाई plant के दो type, meristematic, permanent, apical, intercalary, lateral. That you must remember. हाँ भाई ये क्लासिफिकेशन से बहुत इजी हो जाता है. Yeah. Now, what is apical? So, it is present at the growth tip of stem and root. Clear? It is present at growth. Growth means the plant portion that will be a growing region. Clear? Growing tip. Tip means ending point. Clear? So, it is for the growth tip at this region. Stem and the root. Clear? So this is the stem portion. ये पूरी stem है, इसमें भी ये tip है. Even that when you observe that the down below portion there is a root also there is a tip portion. They are always in the growth. Okay, now these tissues lead to the elongations of stems and the root. Elongation simply you can say the growth of stem and the root. It evolves in primary growth of plant. It is for the primary growth of plant. Clear? Apical is for the primary growth, means trees को बड़ा कर रहा है. Clear बच्चा बाड़ी? Okay. So what is the intercalary then? So it is present in the internode. Yes, intercalary is present in the internode. Okay. Let's look at where is the internode with the red color. So here. Here also, here also, here also, here also. You can observe it. Means the red dot you are observing that internode. Internode means a simple that this is one of our stem. Clear? And the portion at which the branch are forming. यहाँ से branch निकल रही है ना, तो वो दोनों को जो point divide कर रहा है ना, वो point क्या है? Internode. Clear? Over there is a presence of intercalary meristematic. Okay. Now. It is part of apical stem which is left behind in the growing. Means what? Intercalary meristem is what? It's a part of what apical. This is the apical stem. Clear? It is a part of apical stem. ये एक apical का ही part है. Clear? At which that the particular growth left behind. So this is also grow in the particular longitudinal. मतलब कि इस तरह से ग्रोथ हो रहा है नीचे ऊपर से. But in the apical it is forward tip. Clear? But in the we will change it the good color. Okay. So but in the intercalary is forward. Here is also the intercalary. Here मतलब ये आपको रंग दिख रहा है ना, वो इंटरकैलरी है. बराबर. इन दोनों स्ट्रीम के बीच में ना ये दोनों गांठ है, मतलब इंटरनोड्स. यू कैन ऑब्जर्व इट दैट द सुगर केन, इफ यू आर ईटिंग द सुगर केन, ओवर देयर यू कैन फाउंड दैट नोड्स, गांठ जैसा बोलते हैं, कड़क बोलते हैं, जहां से आप इजीली कट कर सक रहे हो. क्लियर? सो इट्स फॉर इंटरनोड. सो बिटवीन द टू इंटरनोड इट विल ग्रो. वो टिश्यूज क्या हो रहा है? ग्रो हो रहा है. दिस इज द टू इंटरनोड एंड बिटवीन दिस रीजन it going to be a grow slowly. It is for the intercalary meristem. Okay, it help in the longitudinal growth of plant. This is what longitudinal growth of plant means. Apical for the tip and intercalary for the between portion. Clear? Okay, भाई आराम से समझ लेने का. Okay, now lateral meristem. Okay, it occur along the side of longitudinal axis of the plant. Now here you are observing the different color. I will make it okay, green. This portion, this is the side of the longitudinal axis. Clear? Over there you can find the lateral meristem. It give rise in the vascular tissues. It's going to be rise in the vascular tissues. मतलब कि पौड़ाई में बढ़ा रहा है इसको, इस तरह से बढ़ रहा है ये. मतलब कि कोई स्ट्रीम छोटा होता है तब कितना पतला होता है, लेकिन बड़ा होता है तो यार तगड़ा ताजा. Yes. So it cause growth in the grid of stream and root. Grid of stream means it's a simple that it will be particular strong. Clear? So stream and the root. Clear? It is responsible for the secondary growth. It is for the secondary growth means primary is for the apical, there is in the longitudinal. Clear? Even that after that intercalary is between the two internode, and secondary the lateral is for the growth of outside. उसको बढ़िया फैलाएगा width में, length में तो बढ़ गया, width बढ़नी बाकी है. Okay, now we have completed the from the two portion of the meristematic and the permanent. We had completed the meristematic tissues. It's for the growing. अब बढ़ रहा है. Now for the permanent tissues, बच्चा बाटी. So what is the permanent tissues? It is composed of those cells which have lost their capability to divide. Clear? वो this is for what? The cell which they lost their capability to divide, means to forming the new cells, forming the new branch. Clear? They have defined shape, size, thickness. It may be a death or living. Now it's depend on the particular part of that things, that it is the death or they are living. Clear? But it is not going to be divided into different part. They have particular fixed shape, size and the thickness. Clear? Now the permanent tissues are of the two types. One is a simple permanent and another is a complex permanent. Now in the next page we will study the simple permanent of the two types. One is that protective tissues and supporting tissues. Let's go on, bacha party, rock. Okay, so what is simple permanent tissues? These are made up of same type of cells. Simple is simple means what? It is simple. Yeah, we are speaking 3 or 4 times simple. That same type of cells, made up of the same type of cells, is a simple. Clear? Which are similar in structure and also in the function. That in the previous we had studied about the simply tissues. What is tissues? Are similar like that. Clear? Now Two types, one is a protective, another is a supportive. Now protective is also divided into the two form, epidermis and the jaw, core, okay, and supportive tissue is a parenchyma, collenchyma, scalenchyma. पेरेंकीमा, कोलेंकीमा, स्केलेंकीमा। आई बच्चा मजाक नहीं, नाम ठीक से लेने का, मजाक मालूम है आपको पसंद है, ओके। सो पेरेंकाइमा, कोलेंकाइमा, स्केलेंकाइमा, इजी वे से याद रखो, ओके। सो एपिडर्मिस, व्हाट इज दैट? इट इज द outermost single layer of the plant such as leaves, flower, roots, clear? Now epidermis is simply that the outer covering region, means it's the lamination of the whole plant, clear? Whole plant lamination is an epidermis. If you are observing the leaves, flower, root, stem, everywhere lamination, simply you can take it, clear? It is covered with the cutile, waterproof layer. Now here you are observing the one picture. Over there you are finding that the small drops of water are in the spherical cell. But पानी गिरा और spherical बन गया. Why? This is the waterproof, because of the cutile. Yes, there is a lamination of epidermic, but in the epidermic is also covered with what? Cutile, and cutile is the waterproof thing. Nowadays we are making the different type of material through that the waterproof mobile, waterproof particular watch, everything, but also there is some of the drawbacks are there. Now in the plant there is already given that waterproof layer, there is a cutile. Okay, now what is stomata? In the previous standards we have studied, but if you don't know, don't worry, because Sufyan Sarwed is here. Okay, so what is stomata? Epidermis have small pores on its surface. Clear? So epidermis means one covering cell. Clear? So epidermis they have what? They have small pores. ये आप जब leaves को touch करोगे तो एकदम soft दिखेगा, पतला दिखेगा, एकदम मुलायम. It's for because of the cutile. Clear? But when you observe that leaves in the microscopic level, तो भाई cutile क्या है? They are becoming the waterproof layer. But you can able to see the particular downside the portion, even that when you remove इसको घिस डालो ना तो भी आपको अच्छे से दिखेगा, clear? So you can observe in the small pores, even that when you observe your hand, you can observe your hand, each and every portion of your body or each and every part of your body, they have the small pores, छोटे 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 छिद्र दिख रहे, खड्डे दिख रहे, clear? These pores are called stomata. This porous is called the stomata, not the human, it's for the animal, clear? Now because this is very beneficial, so it's the stomata. These are enclosed by two kidney shaped cell called guard cell. Now stomata is are between the two kidney type cell. What is that? We will look it in the next picture. Functions also. Okay, so look at the particular diagram that we have taken the small portion of leaves over here, microscopic level we are observing that this okay, so this is the kidney type structure, this is the kidney type, two guards are there, clear? देखो guard है, ये भी guard है, ये भी guard है, each guard नहीं, body guard. Okay, so kidney type cell is a bodyguard of what? Stomata. That's a green portion you are observing, clear? It's the what? It's the stomata, chlorophyll type, clear? So it protects the plant from the desiccations and the infection. Desiccation is simply that सूख जाता है ना, उसमें से बचाएगा. Yeah, it protect the epidermis, protect the plant from desiccations and the infection. Cutile cut the rate of transpiration and the evaporation of plant. Clear? What cutile? What are they? They are the waterproofing layer. Even that they are just decreasing the respiration in the transpiration process. Means the plant have the water inside the plant. So because of the sunlight they evaporate the things. But with the help of cutile, the rate of transpiration is going to be a decrease. Clear? Stomata allow gaseous exchange during photosynthesis. This is the stomata. It's going to be allowed the carbon dioxide go inside and oxygen go outside. It's work like a nose. हमारा नाक और मुंह कैसे काम कर रहा है? Such type of thing they are doing. Okay, stomata help in the transpiration. Now, chore or phloem. It is made up of the death cell which thick wall and do not have intercellular space. Now these things we are observing that the core is made up of the death cell. Clear? It is made from death cell and there is no space between the wall. Clear? यहाँ पे ये चीज आपको दिख रही है ना, इसके अंदर स्पेस नहीं है. It's very thick wall. Cell wall are in cork deposit waxy substance called submarine. Suppose this is a cell wall and the upper portion is made they have what? Waxy substance. Clear? And is known as what? Submarine is an important thing. Clear? That the waxy substance is known as what? Submarine. The cell wall is impermeable. It do not have any protoplasm. Clear? So they have lack of space. Even they don't have protoplasm means no, they don't have the porous. Chidra nahi hai. Clear? Now what is the function of that core? So it prevent plant from infections and the mechanical injuries. If someone provide the mechanical injuries to the plant, so they are going to be a support to the plant to protect the plant. It is shock absorber, insulator of water. Clear? When suddenly if you suddenly kick the plant or कोई भी झटका लगा, then they are observing all the things. So it's a shock absorber. झटका अंदर नहीं लगने देगा अंदर के cells को. Insulator of plant. And it's the insulating parts of plant. Clear? Provide toughness to plant. And chalk is making for the sport goods. मतलब कि जो खेलने कूदने में सामान बनते हैं उसके लिए काम आएगा. Cricket ball, tennis, table tennis, wooden pads, many of the things. Now, simple permanent tissues have the two type, protective and the supportive. Protective we have already completed. Now we are in the supportive. These tissues are supportive in functions. These tissues are three types: parenchyma, parenchyma, collenchyma, scalenchyma. अब मजाक, just kidding. Okay, parenchyma, collenchyma, scalenchyma. Okay, now supporting tissues, parenchyma. It is a thin walled cell. Here you are observing the green portion. Clear? This is the word thin walled cell. Clear? Composed of living cell. Yeah. This is the living cells. Oval and spherical structure there. It has large central vacuole. You can observe it here. This is a transverse cut and this is a longitudinal cut. What is transverse? What is longitudinal? ये ढूंढना आपके लिए चलो. So this is the longitudinal cut and this is a transverse cut. You can find it that the vacuole that we had already studied in chapter 5th. If you had not studied, go in the playlist. You can watch the video. Clear? This is the vacuole. Clear? Found in leaves, pitch of streams, and that you can found in the leaves, roots, streams. Clear? Now, what is the function of that? Parenchyma. What is the function of parenchyma? Storage food in large vacuole. This is going to be a storage. Vacuole are in the large. Clear? So it's going to be stored the food. Provide turbidity to cells. Photosynthesis, even that the photosynthesis work also going to be a wound repair and new growth. It's going to be a new growth over here. And if there is anything happen, then it's going to be a growth. Even that the buoyancy control in the aquatic plant means simply that you can observing the plant which is flowing in the water. पानी के ऊपर तैरते एक ही जगह पे रहते हैं plant because of the buoyancy. So parenchyma is going to be gives the buoyancy control to the particular plant. It is a particular support and food के लिए काम आता है. Clear? Storing the food. Now collenchyma, amazing thing that you had seen in the Bahubali also, Bacha Party, Bahubali 2. Okay, what is that? It form filled tissues in soft parts of the plant present in the cortex, pit primary stems, roots. It is found in the below epidermis. Cells of these tissues are living, wall thicked at the corner. Clear? So it is for the word, it is filled, this colon is filled in word for particular soft tissues. If they found that the tissues are soft, so they go and fill it over there. Clear? And that you can observe the red color over here. Clear? This is what is a thick corner. वो ठीक होगा. It is for what? It is for the support and even that hard. Clear? उसके कंपेयर में पेलेनकाइमा के कंपेयर में कोलेनकाइमा हार्ड है. Clear? Provide the flexibility to the plant. बच्चा but how is the flexibility? Okay. Now suppose you have one stream here. Here leaf. Now from this portion यार कट करके देखना हाथ से ये पोर्शन से बहुत मेहनत लगेगी. the tree is not going to be cut easily. हिलेगा, आप हिलाओगे जोर जोर से तब वो निकलेगा. Means they are providing flexibility. Even that if you had seen the Bahubali, over there that coconut tree is going to be stretched down and 4 persons are going to be combined and go from here to the particular palace. वो महल के अंदर जाते हैं. इतना स्ट्रेच कौन करता है भाई? इसे तो पॉसिबिलिटी ही नहीं है. शायद हो जाए, उन्होंने ज्यादा कोलेनकाइमा डाला होगा. So it's amazing, but मजा आएगा. So you can imagine that the Bahubali movies that coconut trees is going to be stretched. तो क्यों वो stretch हो रहा है? Because of the flexibility. How they found this flexibility? Because of the colenchyma. Okay. Fill the vacant place. Clear? They are going to be fill the vacant place. Clear? And also provide the mechanical support that the outer portion में support. Now, sclerenchyma. ये भी आपको मस्त एग्जांपल देंगे that you had also touched that portion. Clear? So it is the stretching tissues composed of extreme thick walled cell made of lignin. It is cell are there. So this sclerenchyma is in the lignin. Lignin is a cementing things, not actually the cement, like cement की तरह एकदम मजबूत होती है. Yeah. And it is made up of the dead cell, and it is very hard compared to the parenchyma and the colenchyma. Clear? Because there is a lack of space. बहुत मतलब ना के बराबर space है. So it is very thick. It is present in the stem around vascular bundles, the veins of the leaves and the hard covering seeds. You can find these things, the coconut and the peanut. If you see the coconut, सूखा हुआ नारियल, the upper layer of the coconut जो आप छीलते हो ना, that's all made up of the lignin, and it is the sclerenchyma. What is the function? Provide the strength to the plant. बाहर से कड़क, अंदर से नरम. Okay, now this is a very important question which is given over here, that the difference between the parenchyma, colenchyma and the sclerenchyma. This is the most important thing. If you have seen the proper video, you can find the difference. One is there. Yes, this thing is made of the living cell. This is also living cell. This is from the dead cell. Food storage, supportive, that you can find it. Clear? This is a very important question. Now, complex permanent tissues. Okay. So what is complex permanent tissue? It consists of more than one type of a cell which work together as a unit. Now what? It consists of more than one type of cell. एक से भी ज़्यादा सेल से मिलके बनता है and work together. It also conducting and the vascular tissues. They are conducting and the vascular tissues. Conducting or vacation the vascular tissues. Clear? It helps in the transporting of organic material. Now, complex permanent tissues are for what? Transporting of organic material and water and minerals up and down in the plant. Up and down, two types, xylem and the phloem. Okay, what is xylem? Xylem is the vascular tissues in plant which transport water, dissolve nutrients upward. Now xylem is for the upward direction, bacha party. I had made it here arrow so you can understand when you're observing the slide. Clear? Easily आपको समझ में आ जाए. Upward. Clear? They always go in the upward direction. Xylem I have the 4 type. One is the tracheate vessels, xylem parenchyma, and the xylem scalenchyma. Okay, what is that? So, elongated angular death cell, growing angular death cell, लंबे में होता है ये, involved in the conducting of water. Okay, they are supplying the water, transporting the water. Now, what is a vessel? These are cylindrical tube-like structure. Now, this is this you are observing. This is the particular tracheate. Now, this you are observing that the particular pipe type structure you are observing connected with each another are what are the vessels through which they are providing water from one end to another, clear, from down to upside. Now, scalenchyma, it is a pink-like structure you are observing here, clear, thick cell used in the storaging the food, clear, they are going to be stores the food. Xylem, scalenchyma, you are not able to observe it here, but at which portion they are, I will make you to very easy that you can observe it here. This portion, ये बीच वाला जो आपको ब्लू लिटी दिख रही है इसके बाजू में, वहां पे वो अवेलेबल होगा. नॉन लिविंग फाइबर विच इज थिक wall of narrow cavity and provide the mechanical support. It is going to provide the mechanical support. Now, phloem. Phloem is the vascular tissues in plant which conduct sugar and other metabolic product up and down of the food. Now, xylem is for the particular water and the mineral, and phloem, flow. The sound is comes from flow, मतलब F से एक sound आ रहा है food, clear? The phloem means food going to be a transport from up and down, clear? And this is for the minerals, clear? Now there are the particular 4 type: sieve tube, companion cells, phloem fiber, phloem parenchyma. Okay, let's study. So sieve tube, where is that? This you are observing that ये आपको बाहर की ओर दिख रहा है ना, ये ट्यूब, ये ऐसे ट्यूब आपको दिख रही है. And this is what? This is the sieve tube transport organic compound sugar during photosynthesis. During the photosynthesis process, they are taking energy in the starch and food and going to be stored in the different part of the region of the plant. So when they need, they are taking from that place. तो ऊपर नीचे कहीं पे भी सब जगह पे भिजवा देंगे. Yeah. Camping cell regulate the activity of sugar in the sieve. ये पीछे की ओर जो होता है ना, that you can found it that I will make it here. ये 2 ट्यूब के बीच में जो गैप है ना, this ये पीछे की ओर होता है. This is a camping cell. It going to be regulate means remoting, वो कंट्रोल करता है पूरा. Phloem fibers provide the mechanical support to the sieve tubes. ये बाहर का पोर्शन है, मैकेनिकल सपोर्ट देगा. And phloem parenchyma storing the food. Clear? It's going to be store the food. Clear? So this is we had completing the whole portion of the plant tissues that which are there, what are there, all the things we had completed. These all the things are completed. Next part we will complete the animal tissues. Till then, do whatever you want to do, man. But don't trouble your parents and stay happy to your home and enjoying the biology. You are with the Sufyan Sarvait, easy way to understanding the science. Goodbye, Bacha Bati.